Uy guys, mayroong handaan. At itong handaan na to ay gaganapin ata sa 18. At marami tayong invited na friends. Alam niyo kung sino? Alam niyo na, ang pinakamaganda, pinaka-sexy. Yan ay si Pretty Shamel! Happy birthday, Ate Shamel! O, ayan, ang admin ng Watch to Watch ng White Buddies. O, Ate Shamel, ano ang handa natin dyan? Maki-birthday kami ng aking anak at mga friends, kapatid, you know, inaanak, kapuso, kapamilya. But anyway, kidding aside, happy birthday to you, Ate, and stay pretty, stay sexy, and of course, good health, and wonderful life. You know, ang isa ko lang wini-wish sa kaibigan ko, hindi man sa karangyaan ng buhay, pero wealth is wealth, so alagaan natin yung ating mga katawan, at sana iwilayo tayo sa mga, you know, disaster or any kind of troubles. We only wish that you're gonna have a good and wonderful life and successful, and of course stay healthy and happy all the time. A wonderful family, of course. So ate, sa susunod na mga taon, sana si Lord, gabayan ka pa ni Lord at bigyan ka pa ng marami-rami pang birthday na darating sa buhay mo. Stay healthy, stay good, and stay safe. At napakabait ng tao. Thank you so much, and happy birthday ulit. Kaya, enjoy! Enjoy! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Pretty Shamel! Woohoo! Bye! This is me.
Ano tayo babati ngayon ay walang ibang ating babatiin ang ating pretty Shamel. Yan, happy birthday. Ang ating pretty Shamel na ang paborito si Sandara. Talaga naman, ang batang aray. Talaga naman si Sandara, pati ang mga student ni Sandara, na lang, ang pretty ni Sandara. Ika, galing ikaw, hindi naman yan si Sandara, hindi. Oo, naman yun. Ano, sabihin tayo magkaedad, ay kabata mo yan sa akin ko. Happy birthday sa iyo. Enjoy your birthday. Aroy, English. Masyadong dinugo ang ilong ko. Ikay ingat palagi dyan. At, good luck sa ating channel. At, yan. Salamat at ikaw, isa ako sa naimbitahan mong batiin ka. Pero may sudami mong ka-GC. Bay, bonggang-bongga. Premiere pala, inaabot ng 200 ang views. Ba, isang ka na. Hindi na makita ang chat ko kaya ako'y umalain ng umalain. Pag hindi alam mo na kung ano yun. Kung nakikita ang kaklibisan, baka magkawayan ang aking mga ka-inches dyan. Mega love shoutout mga ka-inches at mga kating. Hindi ko na itutuloy. Paano? Mega love shoutout sa iyo at happy birthday. Ilang gang cake ang ating gagayatin. At saka, ikaw kay babarik. Doon sa amin sa Batangas ay pag-birthday, talagang barik na barik. Saka tingnan mo mga aking damay. Kung di ako masyado naghanda, pati ang aking hikaw. Siya, paano? Happy birthday! God bless!
Mega love shout out to everyone. This is Leron FFA, and in behalf of Key Power Premier United Community Admin and Teams Admin, of course, members, I would like to greet happy birthday, Pretty Shamel. Pretty Shamel, pretty. She's pretty. That's why Pretty Shamel. Happy birthday, Pretty Shamel, from the bottom of my heart and from all of your teammates. Happy birthday. Best wishes for you. Of course, many more birthdays to come. Good health and strength. Happy life, long life, and enjoy your day. Just continue to being who you are. Stay pretty, stay humble, and kind. So, because you are pretty, be pretty to your day. And yan lang. Once again, happy birthday. She's pretty Chanel. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Pretty Chanel, Pretty Chanel. Happy birthday, so more power and God bless us all. Bye-bye. From your teammates, keep power from our united community. We love you, Pretty Chanel.
Hi ate, hi Pretty Chanel. Andito nga pala ako sa harap ng aking camera, ng aking cellphone. At bumabati sa iyo ng happy birthday. More birthdays to come ate. And patuloy lang sa ating journey, sa ating YouTube. Tuloy-tuloy lang natin yun. Keep it up. At ate, salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo sa akin dati. Sa lahat ng play and sa pagiging supportive kahit minsan hindi na ako makatid sa LS mo pero andyan ka pa din, talagang nag-support pa rin sa akin kahit paano. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay good health and more birthdays to come and ingat lagi at God bless you. Happy birthday, bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, my dear Pretty Chanel. Yan, sis Pretty Chanel, happy birthday. Wishing you a good health and wishing you all the best. And naway maging success pa yung iyong YouTube channel and naway more subscriber pa and more revenue to come. Ayan, congratulations din sa'yo, Pretty Chanel, dahil napakasipag mo talaga, sisi. Ayan. And happy birthday, naway ang iyong mga mithiin sa iyong buhay ay makamit mo. And naway gabayan ka palagi ng ating mahal na ama. Kaya happy birthday, sisi. God bless. Bye.
Hello Pretty Chanel, and by the way, una sa lahat, babatiin muna kita ng happy birthday to you. Ayan nga. Then, I wish Pretty Chanel good health, more blessings to come to you and to your channel. Then, enjoy your day kasi ito yung araw na karawan mo, sa'yo to itong araw na to, no? So Pretty Chanel, mag-ingat ka lagi kung saan ka man ngayon, kung saan bansa ka ngayon. Kasi alam mo naman yung sitwasyon ng mundo natin. So, enjoy your day, Pretty Chanel. And then, once again, happy birthday to you. Then, enjoy! Bye-bye!
Hi, Pretty Chanel! Happy birthday! Ay, naku, birthday mo na naman. Wish ko lang sa'yo, palagi. Syempre yung good health mo. Tsaka syempre yung happiness mo. Kasi deserve mo yon. Salamat sa pagiging sobrang supportive mo sa akin, sa pagpiplay mo sa akin. Talagang dami ko na nga sa yung utang eh. Hindi nga ako makapunta sa group palagi. But nandyan ka pa rin para sumuporta sa akin. And I'm very lucky to have you as my friend. Good luck sa channel mo. Sana lalo pa maging successful dahil deserve mo naman yon dahil super supportive mo sa amin. Sana magka love life na ba? And I love you. Happy birthday again.
Hello, mega love shout out. Good evening po sa lahat. Ayan. Gusto ko lang batiin si British Shamel, real British Shamel ng happy birthday. Kanta muna ako. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday sa iyo, sis British Shamel. Ayan. At wish ko sa iyo more blessings to come. At wish ko sa iyo na mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Ayan. Painom ka na, tagay na. Ayan, pagkain na. Ayan, ito original, tagay na. Ayan. Happy birthday sis British Shamel, and enjoy your birthday. More blessings to come. Ayan. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah.
Big love shoutout Pretty Shamel. Una-una, batiin muna kita ng Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. At sa iyong nalalapit na karawan, maligayang karawan sa iyo, Pretty Shamel. At sana humaba pa ang iyong buhay. At sana magtagal pa tayo sa YouTube. Madam Pretty Shamel, sa muulitin po, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and most of all, happy birthday and more blessings to come. Bye-bye!
It's December again. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Birthday mo na naman, Sandara Park Este, Pretty Shamel. Ito si The Pinoy Florist, bumabati sa iyo ng maligayang kaarawan. And may the Lord God grant the desire of your heart. So, keep on sharing your videos, inspire people, and share your journey for us. Nag-enjoy naman kami, and God bless you more and more. Bye-bye!
Thank you, YouTube friends and family. We have also third batch. Let's find out for my next